Hello, students. How are you all? Welcome you all to our E class. Today, we are starting with our chapter number 6, that is life processes. This is the first chapter of our biology section. The name of the chapter is life processes. So, let us understand first of all what do you mean by life processes. The basic functions performed by living organisms to maintain their life are called life processes. Once again, students, the basic functions performed by living organisms to maintain their life are called life processes. क्या मतलब है इसका? इसका मतलब ये है कि जीने के लिए कोई भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म जो जो फंक्शंस परफॉर्म करते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? लाइफ प्रोसेसेस. तो विच आर द वेरियस लाइफ प्रोसेसेस? तो वेरियस लाइफ प्रोसेसेस आर फर्स्ट मूवमेंट, देन रेस्पिरेशन, ग्रोथ, रिप्रोडक्शन, एक्सक्रीशन, न्यूट्रिशन, एक्सेट्रा. लेट अस डिफाइन ऑल दिस लाइफ प्रोसेसेस. जैसे सबसे पहला है मूवमेंट. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय मूवमेंट? मूवमेंट मीन्स व्हाट? टू मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस, टू चेंज पोजिशन. देन कम्स रेस्पिरेशन. What do you mean by respiration? Respiration means generating energy by what? By oxidation of glucose. Glucose का oxidation करके जो energy produce होती है body में उसको ही हम क्या बोलते हैं? Respiration. Then what? Growth. Growth means to increase in size. Okay. Then reproduction. What do you mean by reproduction? To produce new young one of its own kind. अपने ही जैसा new young one को जो पैदा करते हैं that is called reproduction. Then comes excretion. What is excretion? Removal of waste products from our body. हमारे बॉडी में से जितना भी वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स है उसको हम बाहर फेंक देते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्सक्रीशन. एंड देन लास्ट इज न्यूट्रिशन. व्हाट डू मीन बाय न्यूट्रिशन? न्यूट्रिशन मीन्स व्हाट? टू गेट फूड. ओके, टू गेट एनर्जी फ्रॉम द फूड विच वी ईट. So these are the various life processes which are being performed by our body. Okay, students. Now let us discuss about an important thing, that is nutrition. What do you mean by nutrition? Okay, students, once again, what do you mean by nutrition? Nutrition means the process by which an organism takes food and utilizes it to get energy for performing various activities. Once again, it is the process by which an organism takes food. एक organism food लेता है and then utilize it to get energy. उसी food में से energy प्रोड्यूस करता है, जनरेट करता है फॉर परफॉर्मिंग व्हाट? फॉर वेरियस एक्टिविटीज. दिस इज कॉल्ड न्यूट्रिशन. एंड फ्रॉम वेयर डू वी गेट न्यूट्रिएंट्स? वी गेट न्यूट्रिएंट्स फ्रॉम द फूड विच वी ईट. जो फूड हम खाते हैं उसमें से हमको न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिलते हैं और उस न्यूट्रिएंट्स में से हमको क्या मिलता है? एनर्जी मिलता है. दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज न्यूट्रिशन. ओके, नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट वेरियस मोड्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन. So students, broadly nutrition can be classified into two groups, that is autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, once again, which are the two major types of nutrition, modes of nutrition? First is autotrophic nutrition and the second is heterotrophic nutrition. So first, autotrophic nutrition. Students, what do you mean by autotrophic mode of nutrition? The mode of nutrition in which an organism synthesizes its own food is known as autotrophic nutrition. ऐसा न्यूट्रिशन जिसमें ऑर्गेनिज्म खुद का फूड प्रिपेयर करता है. Those organisms are called autotrophs and such mode of nutrition is called autotrophic nutrition. तो इससे तो हमको पता ही पड़ गया होगा कि autotrophic nutrition कौन परफॉर्म करता है? Yes, green plants or such micro organisms which possess what? Chlorophyll. जिन ऑर्गेनिजम्स में क्लोरोफिल है वो ऑर्गेनिजम्स खुद का फूड प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ व्हाट? फोटोसिंथेसिस. एंड सच मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इज व्हाट? ऑटोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन. नाउ अनदर मेजर टाइप ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इज व्हाट? हेटरोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन. द मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इन विच एन ऑर्गेनिज्म डिपेंड्स ऑन अनदर ऑर्गेनिज्म फॉर इट्स न्यूट्रिशन. एक ऑर्गेनिज्म दूसरे पे डिपेंड करता है अपने न्यूट्रिएंट्स के लिए, अपने फूड के लिए, उसको हम बोलते हैं हेटरोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, दिस हेटरोट्रॉफिक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इज ब्रॉडली क्लासिफाइड इनटू three groups. The three types of heterotrophic nutrition are first holozoic nutrition, second saprophytic nutrition, and third parasitic nutrition. So students, let us define all these three types of nutrition. First is holozoic nutrition. What do you mean by holozoic nutrition? The mode of nutrition in which organisms feed by ingesting solid organic matter which is then digested and absorbed by the body. होलोजोइक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन में होता क्या है, वो ऑर्गेनिज्म जो है पूरे ऑर्गेनिक मैटर को पहले इंजेस्ट करता है, खा लेता है, उसको डाइजेस्ट करके बाद में क्या करता है, उसको एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है उसमें से एनर्जी. दैट इज होलोजोइक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन. वी ह्यूमन बींग्स, अमीबा, ऑल दिस परफॉर्म व्हाट? होलोजोइक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन. देन कम्स सैप्रोफाइटिक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन. द मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन in which the saprophytes, जो organism saprophytic mode of nutrition perform करते हैं उनको हम saprophytes बोलते हैं. In this, the saprophytes feed on dead and decaying matter. जो कई बार क्या होता है, organisms मर जाते हैं या फिर उनकी सड़ी हुई चीज़ें रहती है ना, उस पे dead चीज़ों पे जो organisms act करते हैं, okay, and they get nutrient from them. That is called saprophytic mode of nutrition. Okay, in this the saprophytes feed on dead and decaying matter, okay, and then obtain nutrient from them. Okay, now next is third mode of nutrition is parasitic mode of nutrition. Here the organisms which perform parasitic mode of nutrition are called parasites. Parasites obtain nutrients by living on or inside the body of the host. ये parasites क्या होते हैं, कोई भी एक लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म को होस्ट बना के उसके बॉडी के ऊपर या उसके बॉडी के अंदर घुस के उसमें से न्यूट्रिशन ले लेते हैं, and in turn they harm the host. Okay, this mode of nutrition is called parasitic mode of nutrition. Examples of parasitic mode of nutrition are what? Tapeworms, leeches, cuscuta, that is amarbel, etc. In this mode of nutrition, that is parasitic mode of nutrition, here the parasites, they harm the host organism. Okay, here students we have discussed about the various types of nutrition. Nutrition के main दो types क्या होते हैं? Once again, autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. और हेट्रोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन के फर्दर और तीन टाइप्स क्या होते हैं? होलोजोइक न्यूट्रिशन, सैप्रोफाइटिक न्यूट्रिशन एंड पैरासिटिक न्यूट्रिशन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स लेट्स वंस अगेन डिस्कस अबाउट autotrophic nutrition. Here we have a long short note or long description regarding autotrophic nutrition. As discussed earlier, पहले ही हमने डिस्कस किया था autotrophic nutrition का मतलब क्या है? The mode of nutrition in which the organisms prepare their own food. They can prepare their own food. And why can they prepare their own food? Because they possess what? Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green colored, and the process by which these green plants prepare their own food is known as what? Photosynthesis. Students, it is very important for you to remember the chemical equation of photosynthesis. What are the raw materials required for photosynthesis? First is carbon dioxide from the air, water which is absorbed by the roots from the soil, then chlorophyll present in the leaves of the plant, and sunlight. These are the four raw materials required for photosynthesis. Okay, and what is the chemical equation of photosynthesis? It is 6CO2 plus 6H2O in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. It gives what? Glucose and oxygen. Okay, what is the molecular formula of glucose? C6H12O2. 6CO2 plus 6H2O in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight gives C6H12O6 plus 6O2, 6 molecules of oxygen. Students, here it is very essential to remember the events which occur during the process of photosynthesis. Which events occur during the process of photosynthesis? 3 events occur. The first event is absorption of light energy by what? By chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the only pigment which can absorb light energy, sunlight. Okay. Second process is conversion of this light energy into chemical energy. This light energy is converted into chemical energy, and then the process of photolysis. What is photolysis? It is the splitting of water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen. And the last third step is the reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrates. The carbon dioxide gets reduced to form what? Carbohydrates. These are the 3 major events which occur during the process of photosynthesis. So students, till now what we have studied in this chapter? We have studied about the definition of life processes. What do you mean by life processes? Then we have seen about various life processes which are going in our body, like movement, respiration, growth, reproduction, excretion, nutrition, etc. Then we have seen a clear definition of nutrition. What do you mean by nutrition? Then we have seen various modes of nutrition. Okay, students. Now, then we have seen about what? About the major type of what? Nutrition, that is autotrophic nutrition. Okay, here we have seen the definition of photosynthesis, then the chemical equation showing photosynthesis and the major events which occur during the process of photosynthesis. Students, in the next lecture, in the next session, we will study about various activities to show that why chlorophyll or carbon dioxide is essential for the process of photosynthesis. Okay, students, till then, make a note of all these points and go through this chapter. Thank you, students.